This is a very cool animated optical illusion. I'm going to explain to you first how the illusions are prepared, and then I'll show the illusion. What you're looking at is an image that appears to be blurry, but it's actually 6 frames of an animation. Now these frames are laid out in a specific way where each frame is cut into thin lines, and you can see those lines. And there is a specific space in between each one of these lines. And then on this overlay, that same space, that same measurement between those spaces fits this overlay. You can see the black and the white lines, and those match up perfectly to the black and the white spaces on these images, so that when you lay it over, you end up with one image basically. But as you move it, those spaces cycle between each of those 6 frames, creating movement.